hold it down like a Snapchat, go over your head like a snapback, uploaded a pic, double tap that, and your flow so old, granddad.
Gazi. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hello there my babies, welcome back. So this video is not going to be like a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a get ready with me, but I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm using on my face because I'm going to leave everything down in the description box and the links to where to get everything. So this video is going to be a little different. I've been procrastinating to do this video because only because this is my engagement video and my birthday surprise, whatever, birthday dinner for my 23rd birthday. I've been procrastinating to do this video only because I was trying to think how can I incorporate this video and instead of just doing the whole vlog. I wanted to actually, you know, do something. So I decided, you know what, let me recreate my makeup that I did for my birthday dinner because I didn't get a chance to record it that day and I really wanted to. I was like, you know what, let's recreate it. It was a super simple red lip makeup look. So yeah, enough about the makeup because this is not really concentrating about that. But so yeah, you guys, this day was such a great day for me. I don't even know how to talk about this. I just don't know, but please, please, please ignore how blurry my vlog camera was. Babe tried his best. I didn't know anything about this, and that's what made it actually special. It wasn't like extravaganza, like, you know, how every man usually or should do an engagement proposal. But, you know, I just love the fact that he took his time and just put himself out there and wanted to get on one knee to ask me to marry him. So that's all that matters. So please, at the end of the video, ignore how blurry and bad quality how my vlogging camera is. I actually got a new vlogging camera. If you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure you do. It's gonna pop up here in a couple seconds. But yeah, make sure you do because I will be posting more vlogs. But yeah, so babe planned this engagement. Now it all started, it was supposed to be a birthday dinner, you guys, with just my friends like every year. But this year was different. He wanted to include himself in the birthday dinner and his friends as well. Now, I didn't think of it as anything. I was like, okay, well, why not? You know, more people, hey, fun. So I picked a restaurant already. My babe did not pick anything at all. I picked the restaurant where I wanted to go, and this restaurant was my first time ever going to it. So it was so weird that they had a live band during my birthday dinner. Now, I like it, but the fact that the man was actually proposing and it was getting recorded, I didn't like it because you cannot hear anything he says, so it's going to be a struggle for you guys to hear that. And this is why I've been procrastinating to post this video because I'm just like, oh my god, this is so bad quality, but I know my babies want to watch it. This is all for you guys. I remember that it was special for me because I could hear everything he was talking. Well, I could hear everything he's saying to me, so it's really special. But for people who are watching, it's kind of hard, but you can hear bits and pieces of it. But yeah, so they was having a live band. I was not feeling that at all, but I was just, I don't know, I was like amazed. At that time I was really shocked of what babe did and all that good stuff. I'm really excited for you guys to actually watch the clip at the end. I love this man so much. A little recap of how we met. We met at a nursing home. If you guys have not yet watched the boyfriend tag, well, now he's a fiance, but I will have it pop up here pretty soon. So yeah, I'm not really gonna go into details how we met. Watch that video because it's talks about everything, you know. But yeah, we met in a nursing home. We've been together 5 amazing blessing years. God has blessed us through it all. I don't know how we did it, but I'm so happy and blessed to say that I am about to be a married woman to Mr. Junior Masasu. I'm super excited. I don't even know what to say, y'all. I don't know what to say, but I hope y'all enjoy the vlog. I've been really pushing it. Like, I really was not even going to post this, but something told me to do it because it's just one of those memories that I would never forget for the rest of my life, okay? But so yeah, if you guys are in a relationship or about to be in one, or still trying to look for your significant other, all I could tell you guys is pray for your spouse, your future spouse. Pray for them. If you're a prayer, I am so much into prayers. That's how me and Junior have been, like, our bond is so close, because we are a prayerful couple. So if you're a prayerful person, just pray. You know, all things happen for a reason, and I believe this was planned by God. So I don't know what to say. I feel like I'm just rambling, y'all. So I am so sorry for the under eyes, y'all. Let's just jump into this makeup real quick. The under eyes, I don't even know what I was doing, but the makeup turned out exactly how I did it for my birthday, but I didn't use the same products because I cannot remember. This happened like 3 weeks ago, almost a month. I think a month now. So yeah, and also ignore my lace. My lace was just peeking through. It was like trying to fly away, like I'm here. What's good? But yeah, this is it, y'all. I love y'all. Now up in the sun, and let's just jump into the vlog.
Girl, what's up? Look at her looking badass.
Let me call you back. Nimefita. Okay.
She looking badass. How you feeling now, babe?
I'm feeling good, but I wore the wrong pair of shoes, man.
The wrong pair of shoes. So right now, YouTube, we going out to eat and do our thing. Celebrate this beautiful queen out here, her birthday. And then we're gonna see what's going on. Oh, this is funny. We never really vlogged that much like this, but me and Bae, we here already, enjoying ourselves, having a good time. Are you having a good time, baby?
We just out here. We shall see where the night takes us.
She look gorgeous. Look beautiful today. Queen Lizinzi. Alright, so right now we just out here wedding. Our friends are not here. Her friends are not here yet, so we're just relaxing. Had some good time and talking. You know, so
subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any more uploads. That's what I have to say.
yeah, because a lot of her friends have been asking us to do a lot of vlogging. So this is gonna be our first vlog. Is it the first vlog or second vlog? Or something? Okay, this is gonna be our first vlog. So I hope everything's gonna come out good. All right. Hey guys. Y'all gonna say something?
Here. Yeah. Look at Big Mouth. Yeah, we did.
I told her not to become a mom. Anyways, hey guys, we're here for Esther's birthday.
Like, I'm about to just do her. I know.
We got the blonde, the braids,
eyebrows. She said, yeah, but I'm not about to just do her eyebrows. I'm about to go.
and she over there talking.
I'm like,
She over there running her mouth. We're so excited for
I'm
tonight.
like, yeah, because I was saying, go walk out of there like, I'm good, I'm good. Look at Jane. Right. Oh my god. I remember Ashley. She was 7 years. She was 8 years old. Can you believe that? I realized it was loud.
Go.
You know what happened? Oh, you're 23.
He needs you up there.
Now I'm getting hot.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to you. We suck.
birthday, dear Esther.
Happy birthday to you.
How
You look so nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, I'm getting hot.
Come on, man.
I'm getting hot.
all right. The reason, I mean, all this stuff that we did. First thing I just want to say how much I appreciate you. And I love you so much. You're the best friend that I can ever say. You know, best of all, everything. You know, and that's why the reason I love you so much. You're my life. You know, I love you so much. And I want to do this to surprise surprise you. You know I've been waiting for so long time. So all this we did with everybody, also with everybody help. I just want to say I love you so much. Whew, I'm kind of nervous right now.
Get it out, brother. Get it out.
And I know we have a long journey between us. And we have faced so much things, a lot of things in our life. But you have taught me to be a tough man. You taught me how to be a real man too. So today, I'm in front of everybody.
It's okay.
Don't cry, man. Don't cry. It's okay, baby. Don't cry. Don't cry. Alright, Esther Johnson, would you accept this ring?
Yes.
To marry me?
He ready?
Oh my goodness. Oh. Damn it, she done made me cry, guys. Yay. Good job, Junior.
Congrats, Junior.
Our girls get married. What do you want to say to the people? All your hard work paid off?
Huh?
All your hard work paid off?
Yeah, all my hard work has paid off. Man, I'm kind of nervous right now. I mean, I couldn't wait for that long anymore. I had to do it, so
Yeah.
I'm so happy right now. I'm so good.
Esther, come tell your vlog how you feeling. Were you shocked? Were you surprised?
Very, very. You guys knew?
Yeah. Oh, of course. We had a group meeting.
But you got the ring.
I'm a good vlogger, I'll tell you that much. I was steady. That was super hard. We gotta see the ring. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna zoom in.
I can't.
Do it again.
Thank you.
Hey.
You guys, I can't. This is too much. Like, thank you so much. I don't even know what to say because I was not expecting this out of all things. I did not think I was gonna cry like this at all. But you guys mean so much to me. I don't even know what to say. This is too much. Thanks, babe, for everything. I appreciate you so much. So much. I love you too. But I love you guys. I love you guys. This means a lot because then I really know you guys are meant for my life.
We love you, boo. We love you.
Love you.
Alright, YouTube, I'm officially daddy. Got everything done, everything went well.
Even when you call me
I'm so hell out excited.
yeah, it's
I'm happy. Whew, my heart is dropping right now.
She was
So, yeah, we did it. So, well,
yeah, you asked me.
if you guys like the video, go ahead, like the button, subscribe. And then we'll basically be doing more to come. And I got my friend out here. What do you think, bro?
Hey, congratulations, man. That's what's up.
Thought I could find my way back home, but I get lost alone.